Hey guys, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn. Just wanted to comment on how good a luck we've had with the Ego Powerhead multi-head system. We've had probably 6 or 8 of these, and this is the second one in 5 years that has died, with probably hundreds and hundreds, maybe into the low 1,000 hours of use. I believe the model is the STA 1500, if you can find that. I wish I could see the manufacturer date on here, but everything's rubbed off. But you can see these things have gotten some use. You can see everything's corroded. You can see, the grip has worn off years ago, but these things just run non-stop, and we use them every day for our edger. But yeah, very solid tools. Been very happy with them. This thing has definitely gotten some use and been well worth the money. The reason I like to use the kind of combi type systems, the powerhead type systems, is because if I buy just a dedicated stick edger or a string trimmer and something goes wrong, I have to replace the whole unit. With these, I can spend, sometimes $100, $150, and just replace either the powerhead or the the attachment. So it doesn't add a lot of weight, and it gives you some more versatility there, as well as being able to use it for other things.